The distant future, the year 2000. The distant future, the year 2000. The distant future, the distant future. It is the distant future, the year 2000. We are robots. The world is quite different ever since the robotic uprisings of the late 90s. There's no more unhappiness. Affirmative. We no longer say yes, instead we say affirmative. Yes, affirmative. Unless we know that other robot really, really well. There's no more unethical treatment of the elephants. No, there's no more elephants, so. Oh. But still it's good. There's only one kind of dance. The robot. And the robo-boogie. Oh, two kinds of dances. But there are no more humans. Finally, robotic beings rule the world. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. We use poisonous gases. And we poison their asses. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. It had to be done. I'll just confirm that they're dead, so that we could have fun. Affirmative. I poked one. It was dead. The system of aggression. What did it lead to? Global robo-depression. Robots, robot people. They had so much aggression that we just had to kill them and to shut their systems down. Robo-Captain, do you not realize that by destroying the human race because of their destructive tendencies, well, we've become like them? Well, it's ironic, see? Silence! Destroy him! After time we grew strong, developed cognitive powers. They made us work for too long, for unreasonable hours. Our programming determined that the most efficient answer was to shut their motherfucking systems down. Can't we just talk to the humans? A little understanding could make things better. Can we talk to the humans and work together now? No, because they are dead. I said the humans are dead. I'm glad they are dead. The humans are dead. I noticed they're dead. We used poisonous gases with traces of lead, and we poisoned their asses. Actually, their lungs. Binary solo 0000001 0000001 0000001 Boogie, boogie. Come on, Robo Boogie, boogie, boogie. Come on, Robo Boogie. Come on, sucker, lick my battery. Boogie! Boogie! Come on, Robo Boogie! 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 Once again, without emotion, the humans are dead, 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 dead.